Oh my dude, you have to try this.
So we start with a ground protein of choice. Put about a tablespoon of freshly minced freezer ginger. And I always buy garlic in bulk and mince it and keep that in the fridge and freezer. Just added some cornstarch. And now we're gonna add about the equivalent of 1 squeeze of lime. Sesame oil, this is a tablespoon. Soy. I've got some lovely baby bok choy. But you know what? Everybody does dumplings their own way. This is the filling I'm doing today. And yes, I've washed my hands. Always wash your hands. And you don't want to overdo the meat. And the cornstarch will keep some of that moisture in it. That's right, I said the word moist. So when this is all nicely incorporated, we're gonna wash our hands again and go to the next step. These are the ones I'm using this time. I'm gonna spray this with a little oil so it doesn't stick. We're gonna go in with some lovely wontons. So we'll do about and I'm going to use the rest of this ginger water. I'm going to put a drop of soy in it. Pour this on top. So this is going to go in the oven. The oven is preheated to 350 and this will take about 30-40 minutes. Make a quick sauce with some tamari. Do a little bit of rise of vinegar. Obviously fresh is better, but you know, a little sesame oil. Get to the bottom of that chili crisp. I'm very excited to try this, like super duper excited to try this. I opted to make it really look like a lasagna instead of doing that individual ramekin vibe, but either way I think it's going to taste sublime. Taking the first bite, I'm going in. Like, who thought that was going to suck? Not me. You have got to try this, dude. Let's